Level up your veggie talk. Let's learn 50 English words for all your favorites. Carrot, carrot. Potato, potato. Tomato, tomato. Onion, onion. Broccoli, broccoli. Spinach, spinach. Cucumber, cucumber. Eggplant, eggplant. Mushroom, mushroom. Corn, corn. Pea, pea. Lettuce, lettuce. Garlic, garlic. Parsley, parsley. Radish, radish. Rutabaga, rutabaga. Artichoke, artichoke. Bok choy, bok choy. Cabbage, cabbage. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Iceberg, lettuce, iceberg, lettuce. Brussels sprout, Brussels sprout. Arugula, arugula. Bell pepper, bell pepper. Chili, chili. Jalapeno, jalapeno. Zucchini, zucchini. Asparagus, asparagus. Bean, bean. Celery, celery. Scallion, scallion. Sweet potato, sweet potato. Kale, kale. Swiss chard, Swiss chard. Okra, okra. Turnip, turnip. Chicory, chicory. Endive, endive. Green bean, green bean. Leek, leek. Watercress, watercress. Parsnip, parsnip. Shallot, shallot. Chives, chives. Cilantro, cilantro. Daikon, daikon. Cherry tomato, cherry tomato. Beet, beet. Chard, chard. Feeling vegified? You've just mastered 50 English vegetable names.